Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into AETNA Health App review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The AETNA Health App is designed to simplify insurance management by giving members quick access to digital ID cards, claim updates, coverage details, and in-network data, in-network doctor searches, all from one dashboard. It's especially useful for tracking deductibles, checking benefits before appointment, and even managing prescriptions or care reminders, which make it a solid companion for anyone who wants more control and clarity over their health care. However, the experience isn't flawless. Some users report slow loading times, confusing claims breakdown, and occasional login or verification hiccup. Plus, if your employer's plan has limited features, the app may feel bare bones. And in my opinion, the app is definitely worth using if you are an AETNA member looking to stay organized and avoid phone calls or paperwork. But expect a few quick along the way, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.